stdio.h. Okay, let's see them now. Okay, they are here. For this one, printf, this function is used to print character, string, float, integer, octal and hexadecimal values onto the output string. Means you can get output of any kind of data from from this printf function or using this printf function. You will see everywhere we will use printf function to get output in the program scanf. This function is used to read a character, string, numeric data from keyboard. Means while getting a input you can use it. Okay, get C, it reads character from file. Okay, now gets it reads line from keyboard. They are different. It reads character from file, it reads line from keyboard. Okay, getter, it reads character from keyboard, here line from keyboard and character from keyboard. Puts, puts, it writes line to op screen. Okay, now poacher, it writes character to screen, to the screen. Clearer, this function clears the error indicators. When you will see errors in your program, it will clear that you won't, the error indication won't be visible anymore. Okay, now fopen or function open. All file handling functions are defined in stdio.h header file. Handling function, all the file that could handle stdio.h header file. Okay, closer function closes an open file. It will close an open file that you are programming or something. Now come here, get w, reads an integer from file. It will reads an integer only, not any other data type like float. Okay, put w, writes an integer to file. It will writes the get w will reads an integer file from file. Put w will writes an integer to the file. Okay, here's something missing, no problem. Get C, reads a character from file, and put C writes a character to file. It will write a character and you can read a character using get C. Yeah, it means you can get input by this one. Okay, now put C, writes a character to file. Okay, they are similar. That's a character to file, no problem. Get S, reads string from a file one line at a time. It will work one by one, not 2 or 5 lines in a time. Okay, it will work. When the one line finished, it will return its output and start again. Puts, write string to a file. It will write a string to a file. And now feof, finds end of file. Where the file is end, it will find it. Okay, getter, reads a character from keyboard. It will read a character from keyboard, like you are inputting any button in keyboard like A, B. It will read it, which one you have put it. Like A, it will give you the output A. Printf, writes formatted data to a file. Okay, scanf, reads formatted data from a file. It will read data and it will write data, and it is the similar of that one. I have written it multiple times. Okay, let's come here. Poacher, writes a character from keyboard. It will write a character from keyboard like this one. It will read a character from keyboard, which one you put it, and it will write that one. F pusher, catcher and pusher, they are similar. Like F seek moves file pointer position to given locations. I hope you are seeing this. Moves file pointer position to given location. Okay, let's see here. There is many more in this stdio.h. Seek set moves file pointer position to the beginning of the file. Okay, seek car moves file pointer position to given location where you want to get, or you want to replace the position. It will take it there. Seek end moves the pointer position to the end of the line. It will put it to the end. F tell gives current position of file pointer where your pointer is placed. It will tell you this one. Rewind moves file pointer position to the beginning of the file. Okay, where from where the file started, it will take you there if you input this function. Sprint writes formatted output to string. It will write. And as scanf reads formatted input from a string. Which one you have inputted, it will read this one. Scan like as scanf or scanf, they are similar. The scan is common like input here. And the print output writes formatted output to string. Okay, remove deletes a file. The remove function will deletes a file. And the f flashes a file. Okay, and get C reads a character from file. It will read a character from file. I don't think I have to give an example for all of them. You will get it later. We will use them like printf, scanf, get, gets, gets, put. We will use them later. We don't need to give an example here. Okay, let's move on to our next chapter. We almost completed our basic for C program. Okay, we already did the stdio.h header file and the conio.h header file. We will see that in the next video. Okay, thank you for today.